Hello everyone, myself Nithish Patil, first year ECE department. My topic is Smart Dustbin Detection System for Enhanced Environment. Smart dustbins can provide data type that can be used to development strategies to reduce waste and increases recycling rates. Smart dustbins helps to create a cleaner, safer, more hygienic environment and enhance approach efficiency while reducing management's costs, resources, and roadside emissions. The main objective is to maintain the level of cleanness in the city and form an environment which is better for living. Smart dustbins helps us to reduce the pollutions many times. Garbage dustbins is overflow, and many animals like dogs and rats enters inside or near the dustbins. This creates a bad sense. Also, some birds are also trying to take out garbages from a dustbin. A reductions in the smart number of waste in bins needed. Analyze data to manage collections routes and the placement of bins more efficiency improved environment. Thank you.